future of 3D printing in manufacturing. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest advancement in technology. In today's video, we will delve into an exciting topic that has been revolutionizing the manufacturing industry: the future of 3D printing. Join me as we uncover the incredible potential and application of this game-changing technology. Before we explore the future possibilities, let's start with a brief introduction to 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing. 3D printing involves creating a three-dimensional object by layering material based on a digital design. It has gained immense popularity due to its ability to produce complex and customized products with great precision. 3D printing has already made significant strides in the manufacturing industry. It has found application in various sectors such as aerospace, automotive, healthcare, and consumer goods. For instance, in aerospace, 3D printing enables the production of lightweight and intricately designed components, leading to improved fuel efficiency and performance. In healthcare, it has facilitated the creation of patient-specific implants and prosthetics, revolutionizing this field of medical innovation. One of the key factors driving the future of 3D printing lies in the continuous development of new materials. Researchers and manufacturers are experimenting with a wide range of materials, including biocompatible polymers, metals, ceramics, and even living tissues. These advancements open up possibilities for creating stronger, more durable, and functional parts that were previously unachievable. In recent years, significant progress has been made to improve the speed and scale of 3D printing. With the introduction of faster printing technologies and larger build volume, manufacturers can now produce objects more efficiently. This increased speed and scale not only reduce production time, but also enable mass customization, allowing businesses to cater to individual customer needs without compromising on quality. The integration of 3D printing with other technologies such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and robotics has paved the way for the fourth industrial revolution, known as Industry 4.0. By combining these technologies, manufacturers can create smart factories where 3D printers can work seamlessly with automated systems, optimizing production process, reducing waste, and increasing overall efficiency. Like any technology, 3D printing also faces certain challenges. These include high cost of equipment, limitation in material, and the need for skilled operators. However, ongoing research and development efforts are actually addressing these challenges. As technology becomes more accessible and cost-effective, we can expect to see an even more significant impact on the manufacturing industry. As we conclude our exploration into the future of 3D printing in manufacturing, it's evident that its groundbreaking technology is set to revolutionize the industry, from customized products and rapid prototyping to reduce waste and increase efficiency. The potential benefits are immense. As advancements continue, we eagerly anticipate the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Thank you for joining me today on this enlightening journey into the future of 3D printing in manufacturing. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on the latest advancement in technology. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the possibilities of the future. Bye.